A beginner's guide to your first voiceover demo. Do it yourself. Hello. I'm so excited, my creative professional family. We're artists. We're online. We're making a living. We're making art in our communities. Sometimes we're making money. Hi, welcome back or welcome for the first time. I'm Caroline Cole. This is the business of storytelling. Today, we're going back to the basics, beginner's guide for creating your very first voiceover demo, DIY style. You don't need to pay $2,000 for it. I promise, if you're just starting out in the world of voice acting, getting your demo right is key to landing your first gig. And the great news is, it is a lie that you need a professional studio or expensive equipment to make it happen. You don't. I'll tell you how. Let's dive in. First up, your equipment. You don't need to break the bank here, but you do need something other than your phone microphone. For a solid demo, all you really need is a decent USB microphone, a pop filter, and some basic recording software, even Audacity or GarageBand. Easy. Of course, you want a quiet space where you won't be interrupted by barking dogs, leaf blowers, or your neighbor's lawnmower. So, all those things to consider. But next, once you've got them all wrapped up, talk scripts. Let's talk about them. Your demo needs to showcase the range of your voice, the types of jobs you're aiming for, whether you're going for commercials, narration, animation, or corporate reads. There's lots of different kinds of demos. You just got to pick which one to start with. You want to choose 3 to 4 short scripts, each about 10 to 15 second long, to demonstrate your versatility. So you can squeeze a lot of versatility in about 60 seconds. You can find free sample scripts online or even transcribe ads you hear on TV and radio. So you're going to make sure that you pick scripts that suit your natural vocal strengths. So that when it's time to record, after you warm up your voice, do some light vocal exercises. We got other videos for those. Pop on over, hydrate with water. Take a few deep breaths to relax. Stand up while recording. Use all that posture I've taught you in other videos as well. Breath control. Make your voice sound dynamic. Keep your energy up, especially for commercial reads. And don't rush. Let your voice flow naturally. Once you've recorded and you like your options, it's time to edit. If you're using free software like Audacity, which I do, and it's super easy, after some practice, you do want to clean up your audio afterwards. You want to remove any background noise, tighten up pauses, make sure your levels are consistent. Don't worry if you're new to editing. There are lots of free tutorials online to help guide you through the process. I also personally have one in my 5-day demo challenge class. Link to that below. Anyway, just remember you want to keep it simple and clear. Your voice is the star of the show. Now for the final step, putting it all together, a typical voiceover demo should be no longer than a minute for commercial voice specifically. Arrange your clips to showcase your range. Start with your strongest performance. You want to hook in the listener from the very first few seconds. And once you're finished arranging, cutting, putting it all together, export your demo as an MP3. Easy peasy. Everybody can play an MP3. So it's easy to share with potential clients. It's small enough to attach to an email. And you've got your demo. So now what? You got to start sharing it. You got to let people hear it. Upload your demo to freelance platforms like voices.com or Fiverr or Upwork. Add it to your website. Add it to a portfolio section. Even send it directly. Remember, it's small enough to add as an attachment to an email. Send it directly to potential clients. The more ears that hear your demo, the better your chances are of landing that first voiceover gig. And then the next, and then the next, and then the next. And there you have it, friends. That's a DIY guide. DIY guide. Really quickly to make your own voiceover demo. This is just the beginning. Your demo will evolve as your skills grow. But this first one, it really helps you take that important step into the voiceover world so that you have the confidence to record, edit, submit a piece of audio. Thank you so much for coming in this week to the Business of Storytelling. I'm Caroline Cole, and I'm grateful for each and one of you. I send out weekly emails to check in with you guys. I have lots of ways that I keep up with you guys outside this couple of times a month that I pop in on YouTube. So make sure you're going to carolinecolestories.com to get involved in all the ways that you can. I love hearing from you guys and checking out. all the stuff that you're doing. TikTok at Caroline Cole Stories. Like, comment, subscribe below. I love it all. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.